Hi, my name is Matthias. I'm the CEO and founder of FloodTape. I live for 15 plus years now on the coastline of Florida. Throughout that time, we experienced at least 4 hurricanes. One of them flooded our complete first floor in my home, which is a dramatic experience. I tried duct tapes, I tried sandbags, I tried silicone. They all kind of work to keep the water out, but when you remove them from the doors and the windows, it tears off the paint or it leaves sticky residue. For example, silicone caulking you will never be able to remove. So I'm like, it needs to be a tape which is actually wider than the regular tapes. It goes over the nooks and crannies and hinges and can be removed without leaving any residue. So I came up with the FloodTape. FloodTape is a temporary flood prevention system. It's specially engineered so it can stay there for 10 days and you can remove it and it won't leave any residue. It's very easy and quick to install. You need around 3 to 5 rolls depending on the size of your house. It takes around 5 minutes per opening. You put it on very easy, cut it to length you need, squeeze it, mold it in, and it's protected. And when the flood passes, you come back, you peel it off on a 45-degree angle, and it will be there without any damage. FloodTape sticks to stucco, it also sticks to asphalt, concrete, vinyl, plastic, wood, metal, a lot of different materials. FloodTape can be used against mud, sheer rain, construction dust, ice melt or snow, and many other applications. FloodTape can be purchased online on our website www.myfloodtape.com or on amazon.com or in your local hardware store.